Boy, hello viewers and welcome to Emeka Williams Spiritual Tips. My name is Pastor Emeka Williams and today I am coming out with a very important spiritual information that will help you give a very dangerous blow to that enemy that has refused to let you be. I am in the business of giving out spiritual tips and helping people on how to unleash their vengeance, unleash their anger to that man or woman who has constantly attacked you. The truth of the matter is this: if the enemies had allowed several people to fulfill destiny, many people will be living a fulfilled life. They will attack your finance, they will attack your business, they will attack your children, they will attack your marriage, they will attack your spirit itself, they will attack your source of livelihood, thereby making life to be miserable for you as a child of God. And if you do not repel them, they will continue to attack you. That is why the Bible said, resist the devil and he will flee away from you. So we are here to resist the enemies. We are here to give them back to back, fire for fire, bomber to bomber, until they let us be. In this particular video today, I am going to teach you a very simple but super potent way to destroy your enemy. And you are going to be needing few items. Here, you are going to need 1 lemon. We all know the spiritual properties of lemon. Lemon is connected to the sun. Lemon can be used as to attract brightness. Lemon is also used to repel negative energies, to absorb negativity, and to destroy negative energies, and many more things. I am not teaching about the benefit of lemon. I think I have made a video on that, and the video you can find it on my channel. God bless you. Another thing we are going to be needing is a black candle. But here I do not have a black candle. That is why I'm using this yellow one for demonstrational purpose, for tutorial purpose. So when you are going to do this particular assignment, please get a black candle. Because some people will come and ask me, oh, Pastor, you said black candle, but you used yellow candle. No, ask me that kind of a question. Just understand what I'm saying. God bless you. Then the next thing you are going to need is black pepper. See it. Black pepper. Okay? Grounded black pepper. You see that? So you are going to need grounded black pepper. Then you will need a rope. White short rope like this. Okay? Then another thing you're going to need is a little piece of paper. You're going to be needing a little piece of paper. You need a little piece of paper, your pen, and either a lighter or a matches. Because that man or woman who has vowed never to let you have peace, that man who is after your life to destroy it, that woman who has placed you in debt. Your business was doing well before, now they send an arrow of darkness and the business crumbled. They send arrow, your relationship scattered. They send arrow, you are sick. Every day you are from one sickness to the other. Tomorrow you are well, next tomorrow you are sick. People no longer favor you. You have witches around you. Every one of them are seeing you as their number one target of attack. It is time to resist them. It is time to strike back. Now, before I proceed on teaching you how to do this assignment, the lemon destruction spell, the lemon enemy destruction spiritual tips. This is your first time of coming in contact with my face. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name remains Pastor Emeka Williams. On this channel, we share knowledge, we teach and learn on spirituality and nature, how you can use natural materials, natural ingredients, connecting to their spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration to help yourself in your life journey. I am blessed. So, you have to become a bona fide member of this family, because this channel is a family, by subscribing to our channel. Look at the right hand side of this video down below. You will see a red subscribe button. Kindly click on it, then put your notification bell to all, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified with immediate effect. God bless you as you do so. To my returning subscribers, double thumbs up. Thank you for always being there for me. May the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, whom I serve, continue to stand by you, fight your battles, supply your needs according to his riches in glory, and bless you in all ramifications, in the name of Jesus Christ. And to God Almighty, the uncreated creator, the I am that I am. Thank you, Baba. Yes, talking about how to destroy the enemies with this lemon recipe. Get your lemon. Now, don't forget to always consecrate your working implements, your items. Charge them, like some will say. Consecrate it, like some will say. Bless it, like some will say, and empower it prayerfully. Then after you have blessed it and charged it for spiritual purpose, here now, this is your lemon. How are you going to carry out this assignment? You are going to cut this lemon into 2 equal halves. Now you cut your lemon into 2 equal halves. Then here is the base, the down part. You are going to bore a hole here. Okay, you bore a hole in the middle of the lemon. Just permit me to do that. This particular lemon is so juicy. This knife, let me suck the water. Oh, this my knife is not giving me what I want. Then when you bore a hole, this knife is not giving me what I want actually, but I'm going to make sure I make you understand what I'm saying. You bore a hole inside the half of the lemon. Make sure that hole does not come out to the bottom of the lemon. Make sure you do not open this lemon up to this stage. Just bore a hole round about it. Then the enemy, the target enemy, you write the name. John Hammer, for instance. Assuming we are dealing with John Hammer, you write the name of John Hammer on the paper as the enemy. Then what do? You fold the name of John Hammer. You are not folding it this way. You are not bringing it to yourself. You are folding it away. You fold the name of John Hammer away from you like this 3 times. 3 times. What do? You put that name inside the hole you have bored in the lemon. Then you get your black candle. I repeat, do not say I am using yellow candle, that you are talking of black and using yellow. I am using this for tutorial purposes because I do not have black at hand now. So what do? You insert the candle like this. Let that candle sit on top of the name of the enemy you have written. When the candle is sitting, then you look for a place that is balanced and put it down. What next should you do? You are going to light that candle. When you light that candle, before you commence your declarations, you open the Bible to the book of Amos. Amos chapter 1 verse 7, which says, "But I will send a fire upon the wall of Gaza, which shall devour its palaces." I will send a fire upon the wall of Gaza that shall devour, destroy the palace. The palace is the resident place of the king of Gaza. And God said he will send a fire. So now we are invoking that fire. You say, you enemy that has been there, that is responsible for my predicament, whoever you are, wherever you are, those you know the names, you have written the names already, you call the name of that enemy. I am sending forth the fire of God as the wax of this candle melt before the fire upon your name in this lemon. Wherever you are, let a fire of destruction come upon you. Fire of destruction come upon your works, against me, against my family, against everything that is mine. I release a destructive fire from heaven above to locate you, my enemy, and destroy you. Now you say that prayer. While you are saying that prayer, don't forget, you have put on the candle. Allow the candle to burn completely on that name that is inside this lemon. The candle will completely burn down totally. Then when the candle has finished burning, now here you go. But before I conclude this second part of this video, let me also advertise little of my product. On this channel, we have spiritual products that are produced with you at heart to help you on your spiritual journey. We have the curse breaking soap, we have the back to sender soap, we have the anti-witchcraft soap, we have the road opening soap, we have the anti-witchcraft cream, we have the spiritual hand sanitizer. Money doesn't stay in your hands. As you're making money, it's flying away. Do not worry. We have a product that will help you end that norm. Then we also have the bracelets. We have protection bracelets. We have attraction bracelets. We have back to sender bracelets. Peradventure you are that man, oh pastor, I am having some movement in my body. Something is moving, is crawling from my head, my leg, my waist, my chest. And you have taken medications, you've been to hospitals, they say they are not seeing anything, but something is really tormenting you inside and you are dying gradually. It's a spiritual attack. It is called moving objects. We have the Equo Plus spiritual detox that will help you remove that moving object at the snap of the finger. All you need to do is chat me on WhatsApp or call me on WhatsApp, where we discuss modalities, how you can make your order and get your shipment delivered to your doorstep by either FedEx or DHL. Peradventure, you've been trying out to solve some spiritual problems, and since you tried everything, it's not working, and you need a professional in that aspect. That is why we are here. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Let's discuss modalities on how to help you, but don't forget, in spirituality, nothing is free, even in Freetown. God bless you. Now, my phone number is +234 813 134 3627. God bless you as you do so. Now, the candle has melted completely over the name that is dipped in the middle of the lemon. What do? You now get your black pepper. Get some quantity of black pepper. You now pour it on that name. Pour it. After pouring that black pepper, what do? You now bring the second half of that lemon that you cut. You cover it. After covering, it is now time to bind with your rope. Okay. You bind the enemy. No way out for that enemy. No escape. You bind the enemy. What do? You get a black cellophane bag, whether you call it nylon bag or polythene bag. You get a black polythene bag and put it inside the polythene bag, tie it properly, keep it outside your home. Okay? Go to somewhere away from your home and discard it. And I am telling you, whoever is the enemy, wherever the enemy is, the enemy will receive a serious blow. And the enemy will be shattered and be consumed by fire. And if the enemy survives and is alive, if he see you, he will be running away kaba kaba. I'll be bringing this video to an end at this juncture. Till we meet again in my next video. God bless you.